Hello and welcome. Today I'm at the Nashville Superspeedway for Import Alliance. I am doing a HPDE today, an advanced class. It's the first time I've ever been on this track, even though it's pretty much just down the road from me, probably the closest track to me. But they haven't really done any tracks events here in years. Like I think this year was like first time I've done it in like probably 10 years. So that's pretty cool to be back here, for this place to finally be open. Excited to get on it. Like I've driven past it, I've flown over this place a million times, but never got to drive on it. So that's a first for me. About day 6 today, so I can turn some laps. It's still early, we haven't done driver's meeting yet. The gates aren't open for general admission yet, so this place isn't busy, but here in a little bit, this place is going to be packed.
I don't give a damn about handlebar bands. Give me a high five. On one of those.
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
Idiot.
Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty woman. Lay all the massage for your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty woman. Don't worry about God, I gotta keep on. Massage for your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty woman. Don't worry about God, I'm so low. Lay all the massage for your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty woman. Don't worry about God, I gotta keep on. Massage for your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty woman.
a pretty awesome day today. How'd you do, Chip?
I lived. Barely.
Well, it was a good day otherwise. Hot, but good.
Super hot.
Extremely hot. Thanks for visiting Nashville Superspeedway. Give us some revs, Trip. Woo!
Well, import lines is over. Back at home. I got to unload the car, take a shower. Because boy, it was a hot weekend. Had a lot of fun. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever been on that track. Even though it's literally like 25 minutes away from me. I think it's been closed down. Pretty much closed down. I think they've had a few random things here and there over the years. But no big events or big track day events in the past 10 years. So it's cool to finally doing stuff there again. Looks like there are some other events. I know NASA is going to be having events though. I'm not sure who else yet. So it's good to see. But I did enjoy the track. I thought it was pretty easy to learn and didn't take me long at all to kind of figure out, get up to speed. I didn't start recording my times until like the last 2 sessions. And each session was like 30 minutes long, which is pretty long. So a lot of times I would drive like 10 minutes, park, let the car cool down, then go back out, then do that again. What's next? Next event I'm doing is Good Life Mid-Ohio. That is coming up soon. So that'll be my next track video. And also hopefully I can start doing something with this. Do something with my K24. As you can see, I got a bunch of parts in. That way I can start refreshing this thing up. But until then, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you later.